You having trouble squirting? This guy was. Needed new tires. He said, hey, can you fix my squirters while you're in there? I said, I'll give it a go. Upon activating the multi-function switch, I could hear the pump working in the windshield wiper fluid reservoir. We got power, pumps working. That doesn't necessarily mean it's good, but 99% of the time, probably means it's good. Trying to cover all the bases. The other thing is, we got this pipeline going from the pump up underneath the cowl and then wise off to both the squirters. I've seen those disconnect, rot out, dry rot, rubber, plastic brakes, gets brittle over the years. That's not our case either. No fluid coming out. Now those rubber hoses, they're small. Arctic blast season, it's cold. You could pour some alcohol or extreme weather condition wiper fluid down in your reservoir, but that's not gonna unfreeze it. It's just not. It's gotta travel all through those hoses. You gotta put it in your garage and crank the heat up. Don't have a heated garage? Well, you're shit out of luck. You better call a buddy. So this is what you wanna do. You put it in a heated garage and then, wait a few hours, hit the squirters, still not working, wait a couple more hours. Well, after about 3 hours, here we are. We're squirting. We're getting restricted flow from the driver's side, but we're getting a little bit. You want to get full flow from both sides. Then put extreme weather or alcohol. You got to lower that freezing temp even lower. And then run it through the system so it doesn't refreeze overnight tonight. Then your squirters will work like a charm again. All they are is frozen because it's so cold outside right now. So a simple DIY trick that anybody can do. I don't care who you are. Find a heated garage, put it in there, be prepared with some of that extreme weather washer fluid. Get the lowest temp possible. Be prepared. If you hear that pump initiating, key on, engine off, hit your squirters, and you can hear that pump, and you don't see nothing dripping after holding it for a while, you probably got frozen lines being so cold. I lost my train of thought. Where was I? Oh yeah, get a heated garage, work all that old stuff out the system, put the new lower temperature stuff in it, fix you right up. Easy peasy. I've been sitting here squirting these squirters, and that driver's side is still just dribbling out where the passenger side is working good. I think the freezing hoses probably put a crack in a plastic tee somewhere. So now I'm gonna have to take off the cowl, it's gonna be, yep, gonna be under the cowl. Got to take that apart. That's where it's gonna be. It's bleeding pressure. Frozen cracked brittle plastic piece. It's the way she goes, boys.